My name's Avery Longfield. I'm a senior. I'm a sociology major, poli-sci minor, and I'm from Dallas, Texas. I took sociology, like 101 basically, intro to sociology, and everything we talked about was exactly what I thought about on my own and were topics I was already interested in. And so it was very much like a first love. I immediately was super into sociology, declared my major like a month after I took that class. I'm getting published in the Trinity Review, which I'm really proud of, and I think is very cool that I have that opportunity to see my writing in a published, book in a magazine. It's really cool. And then I'm doing a senior capstone for my sociology that has been kind of a culmination of all of my 4 years of sociology, and that is something I'm also really proud of. And then I'm looking into going into advertising school so that I can become a copywriter and hopefully, influence people in a positive way. I feel like Trinity has given me the opportunity to grow into the person and the woman that I want to be. And I feel like in big and little ways, it helped me to take those steps and make big and little moves into, just being the best version of myself.